Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can find Roblox file location in Windows 11. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, you're going to open up the Run menu in Windows. You're going to press Windows and R. Okay, and then you can type in present local app data and present, and then click on OK. And then you're going to search for Roblox application. Just type in Roblox on the search bar and just hold on guys. Alright, and here you will see the Roblox folder, and then you're going to open it to see the Roblox file in your computer with Windows 11. Okay guys, and that's all the way to find the Roblox file location in Windows 11. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel. Bye!